Hello guys, welcome to this course. So in this course you are going to learn many of the items, many of the jewelry item. So I just want to share with you what you are going to learn in this course. So in this course you are going to learn 5 necklaces, 5 different necklaces. Okay, so I just want to start from the blue. It is a short necklace with different design. Okay, and this necklace you are going to learn, and the second and this type of necklace you are going to learn, and this one is pure golden, and how to attach the hanging. The best part of this course guys, you are going to learn the basic things. Okay, if you are the beginner, then even you can learn from this course. You can learn many things: how to attach the findings, how to attach your wire, how to attach the gear lock, how to attach your any type of lock, how to attach the connected chain, all about this is just an amazing course guys. Okay, so in this course you are not going to learn just inserting your beads and all. You are going to learn the how to wrap it, how to design it, and how you have to make the base also. Like this one necklace we have, then how I have created the base. So these things we are going to learn. Okay, so in this necklace I have not inserted too many beads, but I have inserted some metal charms, and you are going to learn about the dory and the necklaces, all about this necklace. Okay, and the next project is this necklace. In this necklace you are going to learn how to wrap the beads and how to make hangings with the laurels, how to how to design this necklace, and how to attach the dory, how to attach locks. Okay, so this course is just basic, all about the things whatever is silk thread jewelry. Okay, so you are going to learn everything about this course. Okay, and this one necklace also you are going to learn. In this necklace we have attached not the dory, I have attached some different kind of locks. Okay, so you are going to learn 2 techniques of the how to attach your dory. Now in this course we are going to learn 6 types of earring also. One is the hanging hoop hangings. Okay, and second one is this, second one is chandbali earrings. Okay, and you are going to learn double layer jhumki. Okay, and you are going to learn this one earring also. This is the hanging earring. Okay, so this is just an amazing guys. The course is amazing. You are going to learn how to make the base also. Everything is about this course. Okay, and one pair of this earring, how beautiful it is. Okay, so you are going to learn everything about how you can make the all the things from the basic. And one more, this stud earrings, how you can work the base, how you have to design, how to insert the locks, everything. Okay, and one pair of leaf earrings we are going to learn how to create your leaf, all the with the paper. If you don't have the plastic base, how you can work with the paper, how you can work with the quilling strip, and I'm going to tell you everything about this course. So thanks for enrolling in this course, and this course is just an amazing guys. So thanks for enrolling in this course.